How to reinstall keyboard drivers in Windows? Search for Device Manager. Click it. Device Manager page will appear. In this, you need to scroll down and search for keyboards. Select the keyboards and right click it. If the update driver option is enabled, means you need to click it and update it. Click the update driver option. Click search automatically. The drive for your device is already installed. Close it. And one more time right click and click scan for hardware changes. And wait for some time is scanning. Once the scanning complete, after you need to check if still remains same, means you need to restart your device. After restart, open it, open up a device manager and one more time scan for hardware changes. After doing this, you need to close it, restart device. It will automatically detect your keyboard and reinstall it. Thank you.